You hear that, right? You hear that too, right? I hear that too, bro. Yeah, let's check it out, check it out. Oh! Oh shit. What's good, everybody? It's nighttime, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I don't know. But gotta eat something before we go to sleep. Shrimp Alfredo with bacon. Well, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You did like 3 Alfredos already. Do something else. Suck my dick. First we gotta do is season our shrimp. I got these shrimp deveined and the shells taken out of it already. I can teach you how to take the shells off. You're gonna learn it on your own, or maybe a new video, maybe. We got salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika with a little olive oil. Mix it together, put it aside, right? Leave it in the fridge. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees for your bacon. Now, all we gotta do is boil our water for our pasta. Make sure it gets al dente. Make sure you also add salt in the boiling water before you add the pasta, right? Put your bacon on strips, leave it on the tray, and put it in the oven, right? For about 15 minutes until it gets crispy to your desired texture. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it, and then put the strainer back on top of the pot. Add a little olive oil to the pasta and mix it. This is so prevent it won't stick. Now, in the pan, add a little oil on medium to high heat. We're gonna color some garlic. So I got the little microblade here. This works wonders. Shred your garlic on top of the microblade, right? Get these little pieces into the pan. Add your shrimp, sear them, cook them, take them out. We're gonna add our heavy cream. Depending how much you want your sauce, I'm putting about like half a cup worth, maybe like a quarter cup worth, maybe. We're gonna flavor the heavy cream with the shrimp on the bottom. If you have a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon, try to scrape the little fat that's from the shrimp, right, on the bottom of the pan into that heavy cream. We're gonna season it. Salt, pepper, onion powder. That's it. Add our cheese in intervals until we get the desired texture we want. We got Parmesan cheese that we're adding. The type of texture we want from the sauce is this. It's on your screen right now. Pay attention. Add your pasta in, add your shrimp back in. Your bacon should be done at this point. Crumble it up, add it into the pan. Mix it. Hear that? It sounds like you see it. A big ass fucking mess. But I bet you it tastes good. Let's try this out real quick.